We have all faced that frustrating moment where you are rushing to print out an important school essay, a shipping label, or a boarding pass, only for the printer to streak across the page or flash a low ink warning. It completely stalls your day. Keeping a fresh set of HP 67 Black and Tri-Color Ink cartridges on hand is the easiest way to make sure your home office runs smoothly and reliably when you need it most. This original HP 2-pack is specifically engineered to work flawlessly with standard home printers like the DeskJet 2700 and 4100 series, as well as the Envy 6000 and 6400 models. Unlike third-party refills that can smudge, leak, or clog your printheads, these authentic cartridges deliver sharp, crisp black text for professional documents and vivid, true-to-life colors for family photos or creative projects. They are also fully instant ink eligible, meaning if you sign up for HP's delivery service, your printer can automatically reorder them before you ever run completely empty. It is a straightforward, dependable choice designed to give you consistent page yields and keep your printer healthy over the long haul. If you want to avoid the headache of empty text and keep your home printer ready for any task, click the link below for the best price. Let me know in the comments how often you find yourself printing at home these days. Hit that subscribe button for more practical tech and office gear reviews, and I will catch you in the next one.